Hi, this is Krystal Starr with iChakras. We have another Enchanted Crystals video, and we are talking about physical health and how crystals could help us with our physical bodies. So one of the more popular things right now is to focus on how to build your lungs up so that you can have strong lungs for those who are suffering from asthma or have any type of breathing problems. So the main crystal I use for that is green jasper. So green jasper either polished or green jasper rough and unpolished. Both of them are very good for your lungs, but I'll be honest, when crystals are not polished, they're actually much better for your physical body than when they are shiny and polished, where they tend to affect more of your spirit and love and your emotions. Either way, it's still good for your heart. So if you have a shiny, polished green aventurine, that's absolutely fine. But if you can get your hands on one of these babies, it's even better for your lungs. All you got to do is lie down, place them on your chest, on your lungs, and you're going to breathe in the power of the stone. So with building up your lungs through crystal energy, it's much better to do a breathing exercise than it is to do a visualization. Why? It's pretty obvious. You're bringing in the power of your lungs as you're bringing in the crystal energy. So if you could just lie down, place the crystals right on your lungs, and just breathe in and out. Try this. Breathe in to a count of 5 seconds, feeling your body rise with the breath. And as your body rises, the crystal is moving. Your body, your chest is rising as you're inhaling. And your body is absorbing the energy from the stone. Then, evenly, equally, no need to hold your breath, start exhaling through your mouth to a count of 5. And as you do this, the crystals, your chest will move again. Your body rising and falling with your breath. The crystal rising and falling with your breath. Again, to a count of 5, in and out. No need to hesitate. No need to hold your breath. As you do this, your lungs are going to be getting stronger and stronger. You'll be absorbing the energy from the green aventurine, and you'll feel 10 times lighter by the end of it. If you could do this about 10 times at least, you'll feel much better. But if you could increase and do even more, fantastic. Let me know in the comments below how you like this meditation and this breathing exercise. If you need any advice on how to build your immune system, how to build your lungs, how to get more physical health through the power of crystals, we'll be happy to answer your questions. Don't forget to like, don't forget to follow. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.